or one chocolate, you will feel comfortable. That is source of energy. Teeth and what is it? Alignment. Okay. So how many teeth are there? Yes. That's it. No. You have 20 set of milk teeth. Yes. Palapallu untaya? Like husband? No. So you have 20 set of milk teeth. Then followed by 32 permanent. Okay. How they erupt? Just check. Okay, children. The way they erupt. So when do the first teeth come into your oral cavity? At the age of 6 months. All the blue teeth which are indicated, they are milk tooth. They are also called deciduous teeth. Permanent teeth comes at the age of 6 years. And this is the way it gets replaced. So by the age of 12, anni pala pallu poi permanent pallu ravu. Clear? Clear? Yes. Any doubt? No. Yes. So there are how many set of teeth? 2 sets of teeth. One is called deciduous, the other thing is called permanent. In deciduous you have 20 number of teeth, and in permanent you have 32. Okay? So now, what happens when you take more of carbohydrate and when you don't brush? Okay, children, that is called dental caries. So what is dental caries? Telugulo emantaru danni kuppalu antaru. So what is the color of tooth? White in color. If you have a black spot on your tooth, that is called dental caries. Okay, children? So now we will see when you take more of carbohydrate, it can be chocolate, it can be rice, or it can be anything. A carbohydrate is more sticky in consistency. Attukuntaru. Bangala untaru. Arrange chestarante panna meda attukuntaru. Okay? And on the tooth you have more of germs, that is bacteria. Those bacteria will utilize the remnant food and they release acid onto your tooth. Okay? So when this acid will fall on your tooth, your teeth will get dissolved. Ante koncham egiripotundi. So your caries will develop. Etta treatment cheyali. We have an instrument called eroder. I have this today. I will show how to do it. Okay? How we do it. So it is cleaned by a brush called eroder. Screen, we are going to give a demonstration right now here. So what is the reason behind it? Okay? Okay? When it is neglected, అంటే మీరు డాక్టర్ దగ్గర రాకుండా అట్లే వదిలేస్తే ఏమవుతుందంటే లోపల పల్ప్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, దాంట్లో మొత్తం పస్ ఫామ్ అయింది. సో వాట్ విల్ డూ, ఇట్స్ కాల్డ్ రూట్ కెనాల్ ట్రీట్మెంట్ వెన్ యూ కమ్ ఎట్ దిస్ లెవెల్ ఆఫ్ ట్రీట్మెంట్. వాట్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్? Root canal. In root canal what we do is we put a hole onto your tooth and we remove all the pulp and pus bacteria from the tooth which is collected. Okay? Anyone had a severe toothache? Anyone had a severe gum problem? What is a gum problem? Ikkada brush cheste raktam vastadi raktam. Be clear, it is all, I am doctor, nothing to worry, I can treat. So you have many students who have bleeding on brushing. Why you have bleeding on brushing? So when you don't brush properly, okay children, so when you don't brush properly, there is growth of bacteria at your gums here. Okay, so this is all bacteria. Okay, they will grow in number, they produce more of toxins, ante visham istunnam. So danto emotundi mee chilulante red ga ayipoyi, then slowly they become loose and they come out. The data gani evarkana pannu udipena. Why these things happen? Because once they don't brush properly, these things happen. So but how to brush? How to brush? You have brush in your hand, but which brush you want to use? Oral-B, and that too soft bristles. That means bristles are these things. Okay children? On the brush you have written hard, medium and soft. Use soft or extra soft. So but how to brush? It's very very important. Okay? So in brushing what we do is, so brushing is done very specifically at a particular angle. How to do it? Okay? Brush should not be kept perpendicular to your tooth. What is it? Put it at an angle, at a 45 degree, so that they will cover both your tooth and your gum. Got it? Clear? It should not be kept at perpendicular, and you have to use the bristles which are soft in consistency. Yes children? And you have to brush twice daily. Okay? Then what next? It should be taken half the brush length. Okay? And these are all your teeth and your gums. It should be kept at a 45 degree angulation. Clear? Okay, and roll. Rolling move. Alright? Each side, each teeth 10 times. Okay, to do this, it will not take more than 3 minutes. Never brush more than 3 minutes. That's it, finished. Never watch TV and brush. Never see a movie and brush. Never read a paper and brush. Brushing is given separate time. Sit in front of, stand in front of a mirror and do it for 3 minutes. That's it, finished. Brush in all the directions. Okay? And what if you don't brush? I'll show you now. Okay? Okay. Now what is smile? What is designing of smile? So very simple logic. అందరు ఇక్కడ కూర్చున్న వాళ్ళకి you are able to close your lips properly. Or is anyone there who is forcefully closing lips? Is anyone there? So all people who are sitting here, whose teeth are not in line, overlapping, అంటే ఒకదాని ఒకటి ఉన్న గ్యాప్స్ ఉన్న నవ్వినప్పుడు చిగుర్లు కనిపించిన ఇవన్నీ ఇండికేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ యు నీడ్ ఎ ట్రీట్మెంట్. ఓకే, సో నౌ is this child beautiful? Yes. Why he is so beautiful? He is cute? Yes. Is he having any teeth there? No. But still he is beautiful? Yes. She is having a beautiful eye, hairstyle, very good color, very good nose, but she is not beautiful. Yes. And that's the importance of your teeth. Never lose your tooth. Yes, children? Teeth udbane anko itla kanipistundi. Okay? So be careful. Whenever you feel that you need treatment, please come to doctor. So who is he? Who is he? Yes, Tare Tamilpa? Yes. So he had an ugly smile or a cute smile? At this age, it is also cute. That means people who are small. If you take a small puppy, dog, beautiful. Even if a piglet is taken, cute. That is hormone. Every child is cute because at that level, the hormone levels are so high, so they will appear cute. So now he is growing up. So he want to become a good actor. So that thing he want to design his smile. He is underwent with orthodontic treatment. Ante clip veskunnadu orthodontic treatment. Then you have a difference like this. It was pre and it is post. Ante the treatment kana mundu, treatment tarvata. Who is acceptable? Who is beautiful here? Only right? So to become as such, you have to design your smile. That is, okay? So what is it? Meeku panna meeda clips etta petalo chupistanu. Okay, first thing what we do, we clean all your. There is no decay. Ante kuppal lekunda, gum problems lekunda chusukuntam first thing. Avi lenappudu treatment start chestam. Then we clean your teeth on that day and we condition your teeth. Ante koncham indha white color chestam. Then one bracket or clip or braces and we'll stick it on your tooth. That's it, finished. It is not a painful procedure. Okay, children? It is never a painful. And all these things, what we will say similarly, we put on every teeth. Okay, we put on every teeth. All this. Current condition. See, there was a black spot, now it is not there. People have problem here. Okay? So is any other person who want to comment? You have two types, semi-permanent type. This is a temporary one. Okay? How? Now I don't have cotton. Is it filled? Yes. Nalgonda people are affected with fluoride. Yes. What happens in fluorosis? In fluorosis, your bones will become weak. Okay? Why they become weak? Because to tage water lo more of fluoride content unte, they will not become strong. So she is having one sort of problem. That is called fluorosis. Ante yellow teeth untaru. It is not her problem. Tanu enta gattiga brush chesina yellowness podu. If we treat her brushing is good. Okay, there is a small cavity. You can see this? Yes. It is just starting now. Just starting. Okay? Her brushing is very good. Excellent. No doubt about it. What is fluorosis? Here. You can see this yellow stain there. Yes. This is called fluorosis. Ante that time if she is taken more of fluoride containing water, tanaki problem vastund. Current status say that because under bore water avudara ikkada. Everyone is having can water. Under illa can vastunda leda? Leda? Illa can raadu. మీ ఇంట్లో ఆక్వాగార్డ్ ఉందా? సోడియం అండ్ ఫ్లోరైడ్ కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. అందుకే when we were children in Nizamabad మాకు మున్సిపల్ వాటర్ వస్తుంది. You know what is municipal water? రోజు నల్లబడతాం కదా, అది మున్సిపల్ వాటర్. those are reservoir water, అంటే వర్షం నీళ్ళని స్టోర్ చేసి అవి మనకి ఇస్తారు. ఇప్పుడు ఇచ్చే వాటర్ అంతా బోర్ వేసి వాటర్ తీస్తారు. బోర్ వాటర్ అంతా they have more of salt content. So if you take more of bore water, your tooth will become weak. So now if I see 95% of students will have fluorosis. Okay, it is called mild classification, mild, moderate and severe. Tinaki it is moderate, ante koncham yellow color unte it is moderate. Severe ante it is more dark yellow in color. I think couple of students are having here. Unna evarka yellow teeth unnaya? Is anyone there? You come. He is not brushing properly, I show you. So when you don't brush properly, how better? So this is cavity extension. Okay, మీరు నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేస్తే అట్లాంటి కండిషన్ ఇట్లా అవుతుంది. ఓకే, you can see this is all yellow stain because he is not brushing properly. If I clean him, అంటే క్లీనింగ్ చేస్తే ఇది మొత్తం సెట్ అవుతుంది. Okay, and all the procedures that we are showing here are, so is everyone willing to go get a